everyone. Thank you so much for joining. In today's session, I would like to give you an overview and introduction to the business model canvas, which is, from my perspective, a good framework to understand a company better, to understand a company's business model better. If you want to understand the broad context and what other frameworks exist, please have a look at my earlier video, where I also provide context is into business model canvas, Porter's 5 forces, and pestle analysis. Okay, let's get started. Business model canvas is quite a new framework, not so new, but not as old as some of the others. Invented by Strategizer team, strategizer.com. So have a look. What is a business model canvas? Canvas actually means it's a kind of picture, so every single area is illustrated quite well, and I just go from left to right. On the top left we have our key partners. This is basically who are our key partners, who are our key suppliers. Partners, suppliers, key resources. Are we acquiring from partners? Key activities do partners perform? Where do we need partners? Why do we need partners? What are they doing? Motivations. Why do we need partner? A company usually cannot do everything. So it's about optimization, the company focusing on specific areas and uses partners, suppliers for other activities. It reduces risk and uncertainty. And also if the company is not able to do certain activities, then via key partners, particular resource and activities can be acquired. Then the next one is key activities, and here I'm talking about the company's activities, not the partner's activities. What key activities do our value propositions require? Distribution channels, customer relationship, revenue streams. It's really about what are we doing? Do we produce something? Are we providing consulting service? Do we offer a network, a platform? What is it that our company does to earn money? Yeah. Key activities, distribution channels, customer relationship, revenue streams. Yeah, some examples. Key resources. Here again, our key resources, not our partners' key resources. What key resources do our value proposition require? Distribution channel, customer relation, revenue stream. Do we need physical assets? Do we need specific brands? Do we need certain people, IP? Do we need financial resources? Financial assets, IP. What is it that we need? Yeah, if we talk about a production company, talking about raw material, what type of productions do we need? What kind of resources do we need to provide value? Then the second layer, or not the second layer, the mid layer, value propositions, really important. What value do we deliver to our customers? Which one of our customers' problem are we helping to solve? Which customer needs are we satisfying? So this is all about value, customer needs, what problems are we solving? Yeah, so this is all about really thinking about, okay, what do we offer that provides value or solves certain problems? Then the next one running out of space a little bit, is customer relationships and channels. So customer relationship is what type of relationships that does each of our customer segment expect? Which ones have we established? How are integrated are these with the rest of our business model? Is it a self-service? Is it communities, co-creation? Are we meeting our customers in person? Is it via our website? What type of relationships do we have? Type of relationship, cost of our relationships, integrated, how integrated are they? And there are a few examples as said: personal assistance, self-service, communities, co-creation, and so on. Channels is usually, that's why it's below customer relationship. It tells you what are the channels so that you can activate your customer relationship. Through which channels do our customers actually want to be reached? Is it how are we reaching them? What channels? Is it offline? Is it point of sales? Is it a website? Is it an application? And really to understand what are the best channels to reach our customers. Again, here we're not starting from a business perspective, we're starting with a customer perspective to understand how do they want to be reached. And when you look at channels, we have usually different phases, from awareness to evaluation, purchase, delivery, and after sales. So think about every of those phases. How do you reach customer and how do customers want to be reached? And then the last one is customer segments. This is all about understanding your customer. For whom are we actually creating value? Who are our most important customers? And then it's really important, are we operating in a mass market, niche market? Do we have a segmented business model? Do we have a multi-sided platform? And so on. So here, this is really important, understand our customers. And then underlying, lastly, is our revenue streams. Revenue, how do we make money? And here on the left, our cost structure. So revenue, what value are our customers really willing to pay? For what do they currently pay? How are they paying? Fixed pricing, dynamic pricing, and cost structure is which key resources are most expensive, which key activities are most expensive, and what are the cost drivers. So you can really see here, this is the value, this is the core of the business model canvas. The right hand side is all about customer, understanding the customers. How do we create value? Which relationships do we need to establish? Which channels do we use? What are our customers? What kind of needs do they have? What kind of problems do they have? How do we make money? And then on the left hand side, this is all about, I wouldn't say back office, but this is all about how do we integrate our partners? What is our cost model? What do we need to do internally? What kind of resources do we use to actually provide value? Yeah, there are a lot of videos out there. Please have a look on strategizer.com as well. But wanted to give you my perspective on this framework. I hope you found this useful. Thank you so much.